Hey guys, I've got a post today, and this was I ordered the other day. So let's see what I got here. So this is not so expensive. It's a toy inside, but it's a cheaper kind of toy. But I hope it's a nice one. So let's see. Now I'm gonna cut this properly. Okay. Here, it's big box and the small inside must be like this. So what you got here is this one. So cute. So I'm gonna shout out everyone there, especially to my ever supportive friends in MIT who's all the time during my live and my premiere. No, I don't have really a premiere. My live and what you call this? My short, commenting my shorts. So number one is Ling Vlog. Thank you, Ling. Then Diana. Sis A. Aguila, shout out. And who else? Magstay hanggang mag-end, or what? Choose Edgar. Thank you for coming. So I have DJ now. Look at my DJ. Is it cute? Cute. It's a pig, right? I like the color green. So what we need here is what kind of battery. So wait, let's see if you can use this to open it. No, wait, I used the knife, so I'm nearly going to finish. What's the screw that I'm using? Cannot be. Screwdriver I'm using doesn't work, so the knife works. It fits to the knife. So keep going little bit. I shout out already my supportive friends down there, and shout out to Bill Mill also, and shout out to who else? Rosito or Rod Teamer. And shout out to Princess Carla and Cosina, my number one, what you call that, member. So we need AA battery. So we need 3 battery for AA. So I have here on my side. I'm too excited to watch this outcome. So this is the worst because I took a video in not in vertical. I took a video in like this, and not in vertical, not in horizontal or landscape. I failed. Epic failed. Right, but still okay. Still we can go on. Okay, now it's so that it's quicker for us. So I put it on. Oh, hello, it moves. Hello. Look. Oh, nice ba? That moves pala. I never expect that moves back and forth. This is my new DJ. What's I'm gonna call this one? And shout out to Babes, this element, shout out to you. Jane Fordan, shout out. My supportive friend Jane Fordan. And Muhalana Girl TV. Kim's Mix TV, shout out. And who else? Moms! This is scary because it's nice lah. You know, I recommend you to buy this one. You know, it's only worth 7 pounds. 7 pounds is around, could be 400 plus. No, 500 pesos. Yeah, I guess. Who likes disco music? This could be my background in my life. I keep laughing, I enjoy, but I got mistake in taking a video. Why is it I did it in portrait, not in landscape? Look at the light. Who you think look like this one? Right? I'm gonna put something like here because nice music pa. It's like modern music. We get CPR now. We get CPR in our okay, I'm gonna stop now because it won't stop now. Okay. This is it. This is it is a nice quality. It's not really like a plastic. It's a hard kind of plastic and it's good quality. And what you're looking for is only 7 pounds. So if you're from UK, you can buy this in Amazon for 7 pounds. So 6 plus, but I ran off to 7 pounds because I got a primer. So it's a 1-day delivery. So if I were you, buy this. So cute. So I'm gonna name this. What I'm gonna name this? DJ? DJ Mix. DJ Mix. Shout out sa lahat ng dyan nanood sa aking primer. Even hindi nyo ako nakita. Pero ito na lang. Diba? Na-enjoy kayo sa music. So, thank you everyone. And sorry sa hindi ko na shoutout dyan. So, love you all and see you around sa YT. Bye!